Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for JewelScent. This is my Jewels of America subscription, also known as the Prize Club. So every month you get a postcard from a state, and then I already have my map over here. There's a sticker inside that you can add to it. It's like a little travel destination subscription, and then you get a candle based on that state and that scent, and then a mystery product, which could be a bath bomb, body lotion, all sorts of stuff. So this month it's the Cotton State, Alabama. Southern Magnolia is the scent, and then it gives you a little description of that. Pause the screen if you want to read it. But I see my sticker over here, so I'm going to go ahead and put that one on. Let's see, right next to Florida. So, the mystery item we got this month is bath powder, and they put it in a resealable bag, which I really like. So that's pretty much bath powder. I don't know if it says how many ounces on here. Nope. I have used their bath powder before. You could just dump in as little or as much as you want. Pretty simple. And then here is the candle. They've changed the candle up a few times since the start of this subscription, but this is what it looks like now, and it does have a little metal tin. So let me take a whiff. For me, not liking florals, that's not too bad. We'll see how it is when it burns. I will go ahead and burn it. You see the rings right there. Get it all in the warmer, and then I'll be back, and I'll probably have Jackson with me to do a ring reveal. Okay, so I just took it off the warmer. Didn't take long to melt all the way, so I'm able to pull the ring out. And for being a floral scent, it's not too bad. Does have a really good scent throw and is pretty strong. But I do like the fruity scents and stuff like that. Raylan's here. Jackson is playing with Legos and doesn't want to participate in the video. So we'll see what came today. Oh, is it a black stone? Raylan said no. We shall see. So it's at least a $40 ring, PP36. I think that's just the flat $40 code. But I'll definitely enter it just to double check. Oh, I like that. Very cool. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, check the code, and I'll be right back. So yeah, it is a black stone, which I've never seen from JewelScent that I could think of, at least. Underneath though, it almost looks clear, and it looks like they have something like setting over it. It's kind of interesting up close, but it did appraise for $40, which is the lowest that you'll get in the subscription. There's some cool detailing on the sides, so I think it's overall a really cool ring. I love the dark stones. So that is what I got. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I have a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.